What's the date today?
September 22nd.
September 22nd. Talkeetna, Alaska. What road is this?
I have no idea.
We're on one of the roads, morning after the flood. I'm in the back of the pickup. We're in four-wheel drive, and we're in about a foot and a half of water, 2 feet. I wouldn't go much faster than that, dude. You're gonna flood your motor out.
It's pretty deep, dude.
Well, don't go any faster. Oh my God, dude. You kidding?
Holy shit, dude.
The whole town got flooded last night. This is very, very deep water. It's like we're on a boat.
Get a picture of the wake?
Yeah. We're cruising in first gear, and that's how big the waves are. Wow. That was a lot of water.
Yeah, it was.
Everything here was flooded. Under 4 feet of water. That's amazing.